Question 7 on exercise 2.2c says that we should find the HCF of the following using index notation, which is the highest common factor of 400 and 360. So we shall divide this repeatedly using their common factors. So we have 400 and 360. So we shall start using the first prime factor, which is 2. Can 2 divide? Yes. Why is it possible that 2 can divide? The rules for divisibility by 2 says that the last digit of any number which is said to be divisible by 2 must be even. So since both of them are ending with zeros, it means they are even. So 2 can divide. 2 into 400 is 200. 2 into 3 is 1, remainder 1. 2 into 16 is 8. And 2 into 0 is 0. 2 can still divide for same reason. 2 into 100, 2 into 200 is 100. 2 into 180 is 90. 2 can still divide. 2 into 100 is 50. 2 into 90 is 45. 2 can no longer divide because 5 is not even. So we'll test with the next prime number, which is 3. Can 3 divide? 3 can divide 45, but 3 cannot divide 50. So it cannot go. What about 5? Yes, 5 can divide because the rule for divisibility by 5 is that the last digit must either be a 0 or a 5, or we say is a multiple of 5. So 5 can divide. 5 into 50 is 10 times. 5 into 45 is 9 times. Now there is no other factor that can divide 10 and 9 without a remainder. So our HCF now is said to be the product of all the prime factors that have been used, which is 2 times 2 times 2 times 5, which is equal to 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 5 is 40. It therefore means that 40 is our HCF. That is, the highest common factor that can divide 400 and 360 without a remainder is said to be 40. Kindly like my videos as you watch, while I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. While I recommend you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall then take the next question on exercise 2.2c.